What if hackers are already inside a company's network and no security alert has gone off? Scary, right? That's exactly why organizations use threat hunting, a proactive way to find hidden attackers before they can steal data or cause serious damage.
In this video, you'll learn what threat hunting is, why organizations need it, how professionals perform it, the tools they use, and how you can build a career in this exciting cybersecurity field.
What is threat hunting? Threat hunting is the proactive process of searching for hidden cyber threats inside a network before they cause serious damage. Unlike traditional security systems that wait for alerts, threat hunters actively investigate suspicious activities even when no warning has been triggered. Think of it this way. A security alarm reacts after detecting movement. A threat hunter walks through the building looking for footprints, broken locks, or anything that doesn't seem normal. Their mission is simple: find attackers before attackers achieve their objective. Threat hunting helps detect hidden malware, insider threats, stolen credentials, advanced persistent threats, suspicious user behavior, unknown attacks that automated tools may miss. Many beginners confuse threat hunting with threat detection. Here is an easy way to remember the difference. Threat detection. A security tool notices suspicious behavior. It generates an alert. An analyst investigates. The system is reacting. Threat hunting. No alert exists. The hunter suspects something unusual. They investigate logs, network traffic, user activities, and system behavior to uncover hidden attacks.
How threat hunting works. Professional threat hunters usually follow a structured process. Step 1. Create a hypothesis. Every hunt starts with a question. For example, what if an attacker has stolen employee credentials? Or what if malware is communicating with an external server? These assumptions guide the investigation. Step 2. Collect data. Threat hunters gather information from multiple sources, such as endpoint logs, firewall logs, authentication records, DNS requests, email activity, cloud platforms, network traffic. The more visibility they have, the better. Step 3. Investigate. Now they search for unusual patterns. Questions they ask include, is someone logging in at unusual hours? Are multiple failed logins happening? Is one computer sending unexpected traffic? Has a user suddenly accessed sensitive files? Are devices communicating with suspicious IP addresses? Small clues often reveal major attacks. Step 4. Respond. If a threat is confirmed, the security team quickly acts by isolating infected devices, blocking malicious accounts, removing malware, resetting passwords, fixing security gaps. Finally, they document everything to improve future defenses.
Common threat hunting techniques. Threat hunters don't randomly search through data. They rely on proven techniques. Instead of looking only for malware signatures, they study behavior. Indicators of compromise. These include known malicious IP addresses, domains, file hashes, registry changes. Hunters compare system activity against these indicators. Threat intelligence. Organizations receive information about new attack techniques used worldwide. Hunters use this intelligence to search their own environments for similar activity before attackers can succeed. Machine learning support. Modern security platforms use AI to detect unusual behavior. However, AI doesn't replace threat hunters. It simply helps them investigate faster and prioritize the most suspicious events. Threat hunting has become one of the fastest growing areas in cybersecurity. Popular job roles include threat hunter, SOC analyst, incident responder, digital forensics analyst, cyber threat intelligence analyst, security operations engineer. To build these skills, start with networking, operating systems, system logs, and cybersecurity fundamentals. If you're serious about building a career in cybersecurity, learning threat hunting is one of the smartest investments you can make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.